Hi everyone, I wanted to share the Snow White Scentsy warmer that I received. So it comes in this really cute box. And it also comes with a little poster. It's about 8 inches tall. It is an element warmer, so it doesn't use the light bulb. It uses a heating element. It's very good detail on this warmer. And this is the dish for the wax. It goes in the back of the wishing well, like that. And the Snow White Kind Heart wax bar. Lily of the Valley, vanilla, apple, and sandalwood. If you are interested in getting Snow White, you can message me. The warmer is $85 and the wax is $6.50. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.